Hello there. This video is going to go over how to install the new printers here at KW Memorial by yourself. So step one is you're going to want to open up a web browser. I have Google Chrome, and go ahead and go to papercutselfservice.kwmemorial.com. When you do so, you'll be greeted with a Dropbox website. I have two folders, one for Mac and one for Windows. This video is just going over the Windows portion, so just go ahead and click that. And then once you've done that, you'll be greeted with two files, just updating everything and new installs. The difference between the two is for just updating everything, this is for if you have the old drivers already installed, because what it does is it goes through and clears everything out for you, so you don't have to, delete them individually. Whereas with the new install, it's if you have a brand new computer or you had Windows worked on and it's been, cleared. So for the purposes of this video, we'll go ahead and just click on New Installs. When you do that, you'll be greeted with this little bit of code here. You can go ahead and just ignore that. And on the right-hand side here, there's a little download button. You want to click that and then click Direct Download. Now, depending on your web browsers, most of them will flag this as potentially malicious, and you can go ahead and ignore that. It's nothing to be concerned with. That's just web browsers don't like you downloading code. So for Chrome, you just hit Keep. Then you want to go ahead and go to your downloads, which for me is downloads, and you'll see here there's the file New Installs, and it has a little icon that's two little gears. So what you're going to want to do on it is right-click on it and hit Run as Administrator. A window will pop up asking you, do you want it to run as an admin? So go ahead and hit Yes. Upon doing so, you will be greeted with a black screen with white text, and it just gives you some instructions on what to do. So once you press any key to continue, it's going to ask for your password and username for your printer. For the overwhelming majority of you, it's going to be KW, the / above the enter key, and first initial, last name. And your password will be the last 4 of your social. However, for me, I have a bit of a different password. So once you do that, you'll see this little window pop up, and if this window pops up, you have done everything correctly, and it's going to go ahead and just handle the whole process for you, so you won't have to really do much past this point. Alright, so it looks like it finished up. So to confirm that it has finished, what you want to do is go to your control panel and go to Devices and Printers. And when you do, you'll see that you have 4 new printers: downstairs black and white, downstairs color, and then upstairs black and white, and upstairs color. So these work just like they did before. They all go to the same machines, be it downstairs or upstairs, and you log in like you would normally would. The only difference is now, if you want to print something in black and white, instead of going through and fiddling with all the settings, you just select the black and white printer. And if you want to print in color, just select the color one. Just a bit of a word of warning here. If you do print to downstairs black and white or upstairs black and white, that's all that's going to come out of that machine. It doesn't matter what settings you choose, we have it set up so that the printer will ignore those and will spit out just black and white if you print to downstairs black and white or upstairs black and white.